Hey guys, it's Alyssa with WTI, and if you're looking for tumblers, this set from Amazing Abby is just that, amazing. These tumblers are really clear, not the frosty, white, clearish kind you see a lot of times that you can tell they're plastic. These really look like true glass. Because they're so clear, your drinks will really get beautifully displayed. If you have fancy ice cubes, these will definitely be the tumbler for you. I wanted to test if they were truly shatterproof, and they definitely passed the test. Not once or twice, but 3 times. So you can be sure that if your kids or dogs knock them over, or even if you're just clumsy, these tumblers will stand up to the challenge, even outdoors. So if you're looking for a set of truly clear tumblers that give you the illusion of glass, but the safety of plastic, you're gonna love this set from Amazing Abby. And that's my point of view.